Another dua we can make, allahumma inni auzubika min zawali nematik, wa tahawuli afiyatik, wa fujaati niqmatik, wa jami'i sakhatik. O Allah, I seek your refuge from the decline of your blessing, the changing of your protection, the suddenness of your punishment, and from all things that cause your anger. So here, the suddenness of your punishment, changing of your protection, that you have granted me protection and safety, and all of a sudden that changes. Ya Allah, protect me from all that. Another dua we can make, Allahumma lakal hamdu kullu. O Allah, all praise is for you. Allahumma la qabida lima basatta. O Allah, no one can contract what you expand. Wala muqarriba lima ba'atta. No one can bring near what you put far. Wala muba'ida lima qarrabta. No one can put far what you bring near. Wala mu'tiya lima mana'ta. No one can give what you withhold. Wala mani'a lima a'tayta. No one can withhold what you give. Allahumma absut alayna. O Allah, expand for us min barakatik, of your blessings, wa rahmatik, and your mercy, wa fadlik, and your favor, wa rizqik, and your sustenance. Allahumma inni as'aluka an-na'im al-muqim. O Allah, I ask you for permanent bliss. Alladhi la yahulu, the one that does not change. Wa la yazulu, it does not decline. Allahumma inni as'aluka an-na'ima yawm al-'aylati wal-amna yawm al-harbi. Allahumma 'a'idan bika min su'i ma a'taytana wa sharri ma mana'ta minna. You're asking Allah at the end of this dua that, O Allah, I seek refuge in you from the evil of what you have given us, and also from the evil of what you have withheld from us. Protect me from all evil, protect me from all harm. So practically, we should be asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us contentment with the decree of Allah. We should ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help us surrender to His decree, to accept His decree, to be pleased with His decree. And when we are pleased with His decree, only then we can take the next steps. That we use the means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has provided to us. That we put our trust in Allah. We are patient with the decree of Allah. And we remember Allah, and we do not exhibit any displeasure with what He has decreed. Ameen. Inshallah, we will conclude over here for today. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.